How to add business to Google Maps. I'm going to show you exactly how to add your business to Google Maps using your phone. This works whether you're on iPhone or an Android, and it's a great way to make sure customers can find you. First thing, you're going to open Google Maps app and then you're going to zoom in on the exact area where your business is located. Once you found a spot, you're going to tap and hold the screen to drop a pin. Now you're going to swipe up on the details at the bottom of the screen and then you will see an option that says add your business to Maps for free right here. Now you're just going to give that a tap. Next, you will need to enter your business name and select the most accurate category for what you do. So I'm just going to name this business Strawberry Soju. I'm done, and then from there, going to click on Continue. Now we're going to choose our business type. Let's say this is a local store, and then we're going to head on next. Now here, you're going to select the most accurate category for what you do. I'm going to say this as a clothing brand. I'm going to hit on next once again, and then here you're going to enter your business address. Carefully enter your full business address, including the street, city, state, and zip code. Now from here, Google will ask you where you are exactly located. You're just going to have to adjust the map according to where you truly are or where your business is located, and then you're going to tap on next. Now here, you're going to have to enter your contact details that you want to show to your customers. Just make sure to fill this in, or you can also choose to skip. Now from here, just going to click on continue right here to put your business on the map. Now once you hit on continue, Google will ask you to start your verification, but you can also choose to verify later. So you're just going to click on that button. Now you can also add business hours right here, but you can also choose to skip. Now once all of these processes are complete, your business will be added to the map. So if you don't want to do all of these, you can just skip on hitting skip. We're just gonna click on continue right here. Now, once it's complete, your business will be added to Google. However, you will need to have profile verified first. And that's it. That is how you're going to add business to Google Maps. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.